أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إن الذين جاءوا بالإفك عصبة منكم لا تحسبوه شرا لكم بل هو خير لكم لكل امرئ منهم ما اكتسب من الإثم والذي تولى كبره منهم له عذاب عظيم إن الذين جاءوا بالإفك عصبة منكم لا تحسبوه شرا لكم بل هو خير لكم لكل امرئ منهم ما اكتسب من الإثم والذي تولى كبره منهم له عذاب عظيم Innalladina ja'u bil ifki. Indeed, those who invented lies. Usbatum minkum. They are a group within you. They are a gang among you. La tahsabuhu. You do not feel it. You do not think it sharran lakum, evil for you. Bal rather huwa khairul lakum, better for you, finer for you. Likulli imri'in minhum maktasaba min al-ithm. For each of among them is the share of sin, evil, according to what he has earned. Maktasaba, what he has earned, min al-ism, from sin. Walladhi tawalla kibrahu, and who has taken its leadership, and who has taken its leadership minhum, from there, lahu, he has a great adabun alim, a great torment. And the one among them who became responsible for the greater part of it, adabun alim. Now we can say the tajweed. Inna, there is, you can see the inna, there is shad. So you should recite the word by raga or melody. Innalladina. Alladina ismu mawsula. اسم موصول أسماء الموصولة. الذين اسم موصول. الذي اللذان الذين التي اللاتي كل اسم موصولة. جاءوا, you can see here on the alif mad. This mad is calling this mad on the word ja'u. There is no that not relating this word alone on it. So we can call it mad muttasil. Mad muttasil, you can fold your fingers 2 times or 4 times or 6 times or 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. You lend this ja'u, 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 ja'u. This is the rule of mad muttasil. Mad muttasil hukumuhu wajibun. Hukumuhu wajibun. It is we are calling muttasil and is wajib. Wajib means compulsory. Okay. Bil ifki. Afika ya'faku, ifk, afik, ma'ufuk. This the word like will come. Usbatun jama'atun, a gang. Okay, so usbatun minkum, you can see here 2 lammatain. So one lam we will take and we will give 1 meme. So meme will get shad tashdeedan kamilan. So after that we are joining these 2 words. Usbatum minkum. Joined is how we are joined with raga or melody. like this. Usbatum minkum. One I give here, and this meme go to shad. So we will read it usbatum minkum. So here we are calling idgham bi gunna kamil. Idgham bi gunna kamil. Minkum, there is a noon, but you can't to see there is the sukun. The sukun is covered. Sukun is covered because we wanted to recite here by the sukun covering and by raga. First you cover the sukun and you read or recite the word by raga or melody. Minkum, like this. So we are calling it ikhfa. Ikhfa has 15 letters. One of the letter is kaf. So minkum. And jim we already studied. Jim you can allow to stop there. You have the permission to stop there only. لا تحسبوه شرا لكم. لا تحسبوه شرا لكم. And here also شرا لكم. You can see here the two tanweens, فتحة tanween. After this salif we are why we are writing here, because of the any alphabetic in the Arabic, when you wanted to give the two tanween, فتحة two tanween, فتحة tanweenul fathat, when you wanted to write, you should be write a alif only, without hams. You should be other all letters, you should be give alif. So here sharral lakum, here lam. So we don't want it to here read the word by raga. Only we joining sharral lakum. One tanween we are, one fathat we are giving to on lam, and we are reciting this word sharral lakum. So this also idgham bila gunna kamil, Bal, you should be bal. Sound will be sukun sound will be out of your mouth. Huwa khairul lakum. Also here also khair, two tanween. One tanween we are giving on lam. So lam will get shad, and we will read here khairul lakum, jointing. So idgham bila gunna. This also lam ram, la also ram, lam here, this one lam, this one lam, and this one lam. So also there is a letter will come ram. So we don't want it to raga or melody. We are joining it khairul lakum likullimriin. So this also we are calling idgham kamil bila gunna likullimriin minhum. So here also you can see two kasrat of tanween. So here we are giving it to meme. So meme will getting what shad. So we are reading here imri minhum. So we want it to, this also idgham kamil, but bi unna. The other word was because of this meme and noon, we are by raga we are studying. Okay, okay, kullimri minhum, kullimri minhum. Minhum, here you can see the sukun here on the noon. This is we can call idhar haqiqi. Minhum maktasaba. These two memes are we are joining. So this also idgham bi gunna kamil mutamathilain. When the same words meme, when we are joining these two words, so we are saying mutamathilain. Also here wasil, hamzatul wasil. Minhum maktasaba minal ithmi. You should be read ithmi. Jim already told him. Walladhi tawalla, this fail mudari. This also is mausul. Kibrahu, here you can see this one madsilat sugra. Minhum idhar. because of this ha is letter of idhar. Lahu adabun alim. See this, the tanween here should be tanween, see like this tanween, what we can call idhar haqiqi. When you see like this of sign of tanween should be there a letter will come, after that a letter will come from huruf al-idhar from sitta, mean there is 6 letters of idhar. One letter is ain, so adabun alihi, this one we can call idhar. In the this ayat indicating from here until verse 26th, the false allegation which the Hippocrates made against the wife of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Aisha, at the time of her return from the war of Bani Mustalik, has been described. While returning from this war, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam halted at a place. Only a few nights were left and preparations for the journey began. At that time, Aisha radiallahu anha went away from that place to defecate, and her necklace broken and fall. She kept searching for it. The servants loaded her palanquin into the carriage, assuming that she would be in it. When she came, she lay down there, thinking that someone would definitely come looking for her. After some time, Safwan bin al-Mu'attal bin Rubay'a as-Salmi, Salmi, who used to look after the passengers and take care of their fallen belongings, came there, and his Inna Lillahi was recited. Inna Lillahi wa Inna Ilayhi Rajiun La'inatu Rasulullah. He said like this, due to which she woke up and recognized him, because he had seen them before the parda were ordered. Safwan radiallahu anhu requested to Aisha radiallahu anha to come with him, to go with him. Then Aisha radiallahu anha rode on his camel, and Safwan himself walked on foot until meet the travelers. The Hippocrates saw the occasion as an opportunity, and their leader Abdullah ibn Ubay ibn Sulaym said that this seclusion was not without reason, and disgraced Aisha with Safwan, and some true Muslims also joined his conspiracy. Thanks for watching.